So here we go. The first thing that we need to do is we need to write our names up on the top of our paper here. And the date also. And today's date is 3-3-17. And then the very first thing we need to do when we start to solve a problem is we need to read the word problem. If we don't read the problem, we can't solve it because we don't know what the problem is. So then the next thing we need to do is to draw and label. And then the third step is to write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. Remember to draw a box around your solution in the number sentence. I'll show you that when you do it too. So here we go. Some students in Mrs. C's class are walkers, meaning they walk to and from school. There are 17 students in her class in all. If 8 students ride the bus, how many students are walkers? Well, let's solve it a couple different ways. Let's solve it starting with making a drawing and kind of like a counting on strategy. We're going to use both of those. So I'm going to start by counting on. I know that my number sentence is actually going to be 17 minus 8, and I'm looking for this answer right here. So we're going to figure out how we can solve this problem. So let's do it in a couple different ways. I'm going to start at 8, and I'm going to count on until I get to 17, and then just count how many I have inside of there. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Now, if you look at the way that I organized my drawing too, you can see that I have 5 groups, right? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then when I ran out of room here, I went down below it, and I added my 4 more. Now, what is 5 and 4? 9. Excellent. So it equals 9. My answer is actually 9. So I can count on and make a drawing at the same time. What's another way that I could do this? I could solve this by using a number line. I could start here at 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I don't have to put all these numbers in there, but they definitely help give me a little bit more information for my reader. Now, if I'm starting at 8, and I have, remember we also started with our fingers that were up? If I start with my fingers, how many more do I need to pop up if I start at 8, but I need to get to 10? 2. Excellent. So I'm going to make a jump here, and I'm going to use my arrow to show which direction I went, and I'm going to say that I added 2. I moved 2 spaces. And then if I'm going from 10 to what? How do we say this the 10 way? 10, 7. Good. So if I go from 10 to 10, 7 or 17, then how many jumps did I just make there? I made, 7 little jumps, and I just made them in one great big jump. And then I can add these 2 numbers together. This jump and this jump means this jump. So 2 plus 7 equals 9. Look at that. So I can check my work in a couple of ways, right? Now, I have to go back to the directions here. It said, remember to draw a box around your solution in the number sentence. Did I do that? Yes. Now, wait a minute. Let me go back up here. Write a number sentence and a statement that matches the story. Do I have a statement here? No, I need to have a statement. My statement should say, there are 9 walkers. There are 9 walkers. Because that tells me the answer to the question. The question was, how many students are walkers? Well, 9 of them are walkers. There are 9 walkers in the class.